Hey sugar, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my soul food fish tacos. With black-eyed peas. Child, stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. You want to share this video, like this video, comment on this video right now. The website is sugarpearlsonline.com, YouTube is SugarPearls, and Instagram is sugarpearls_online. So today I'm using a lovely haddock fish, which is a lot like a cod. It's a white fish, very firm, very flaky. It's going to fry up really nice for these tacos. Look how beautiful. And this is how I'm going to season it. Go ahead and get some ginger paste on there. A little basil, some garlic powder, and a generous amount of salt. Now, haddock is a really flaky, thick fish, so you want to season it so it can be flavorful through and through. Go ahead and dust some paprika on there to give it a nice color as it fries up. And I'm making sure that I'm really pressing those seasonings into the flesh because I want it to be all the way seasoned. See, I even need to add just a little bit, and I've been doing this for a minute so I can tell how much I need. This is not going to be salty. It's just right. Well seasoned. See, every crevice. So we're going to slice up our fish right now. We're going to make 4 tacos out of these, and we're just going to slice it right down the spine to give us 4 long pieces of fish that we're going to fry. Now for the soul part. Okay, you know how you're making that good cornbread at home? Get yourself some cornmeal, honey, because that's what we're dusting our fish with. I'm going to add just a little bit of flour to this, all right? I don't know how much. Just keep watching. Maybe a little more, all right? Shake it all together. Add a little bit of salt, and literally that is it. I want to give it a good mix to make sure our salt is well incorporated in our mixture, and lightly dust your fish. Now, I always use a little strainer to get the excess flour off. You'll see how in just a little bit. Ooh, can you hear that sizzle? Yes, the magic is happening. So once we get a beautiful color on both sides, we'll take the fish out, and then we'll do another fry to drive out the excess oil. Look at that beautiful golden brown. All right, now we're gonna do a warm cabbage slaw on the top of it. I'm telling you, this taco is soul food all the way down. This is what's going in it, okay? Look at those colors. I've got an orange bell pepper, some cabbage, some carrots, red onions, and a sweet Vidalia onion. In goes the cabbage. Now the onions. Those peppers. And carrots. Now I'm not putting all of the red onions in. I'm going to save some of them raw for the top of my taco. But make sure you give this slaw a nice seasoning of salt and some cracked pepper. So once we get things softened up just a little bit, we want to leave them kind of crunchy. I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic powder and then give it a toss. Now that it's all beautifully sauteed, we want to add some of our rice vinegar to this. Ooh, when I tell you to pop, baby. Just go ahead, let the Lord lead you. I don't know how much you need, but sprinkle it on in there. And she's done. All right, now I don't know about you, but I like a good warm taco, okay? So I've got some of my homemade chili oil I'm gonna throw on this griddle, and we'll add our street taco to it. Look at this, Hawaiian tacos, honey. Oh, the sweetness of it is so good. If you see these in the store, get them. Now I want to get some crusty little grill marks on there, so I'm just going to let it sit and char for a little bit, making sure that I get everything coated with that oil and heat. Now for the black-eyed peas, honey. So I basically did them like refried beans and mashed up a few of my black-eyed peas. That's gonna be the base for our taco, okay? Look how pretty that fish is. Okay, so now with your warm taco, let's go ahead and get that black eyed pea spread on there. But before we do, honey, let's make a little hot sauce to go on top. So I've got a sweet pepper sauce, some hoisin sauce, and a kick to keep my metabolism going, honey. A little hot sauce. Mix it all together and you've got yourself a beautiful spicy DRIZZ for your soul food fish tacos. And now that our black eyed peas are spread on our tacos, we'll go ahead and lay the fish on. I think you got it from here. Keep watching. Honey, ain't she cute? Look at it. Ooh, drip. Come on, DRIZZ. And this, my love, is SugarPearl's soul food fish street tacos. Enjoy. Remember, it's SugarPearl's food that loves you back.